Yeah, hello everyone. So I'm continuing with my previous array method video. So I'm sharing my screen and let's continue with that only. Okay. So in the previous in the previous video we have discussed about the method in which in the existing array we will do modifying we will do modification by adding, deleting array, and by using slice method, by using unshift, shift, pop, push, these methods. Now here in this video we will focus on searching and filtering method. So so see, this is the array. By that their name is my array. So in this array I will apply index of method. So basically index of method return the first index at which given element to be found, and if it is not found it will return -1. So see, this is my array. If I will try to let index is equal to my array dot index of, if we try to find index of banana, see what will be the output. Oh, I did not write console.log. Console.log index. First I'm thinking to this this where is this spice coming from? I think because this is spice. Oh, I am only written this thing. So see. Oh, see, this method is like here it is in capital letter, here is in a small letter, but it is not. It is giving output as -1 because we can say that it is highly typely coherent. If we try to, I don't know exact name. I am also new to this field. Means explaining these things. See, now here, why are we are getting 9? We have index 8. Okay, okay. Index 8. Yeah. Now see, here it is giving index, comma, if I write my array, see, it is giving, okay, let's leave this. Now see, here it is giving banana and 1. Now, if this thing is not found, then what will be the, now I think you got it. So basically index, okay, if there is 2 banana is present, there is 2 banana is present, then in that case what will happen? It is returning only the first one. So the definition of index of is return the first index at which the given element to be found in the array. It will only in the whole array, it will whenever we got that whenever we will got that thing, it will return that first index. It will not go beyond this and check. It will give check the latest one, and as it is, it will get the output. It will stop. And the second one is like if we want to know like in the array this thing is present or not, in that scenario we will use includes. While in one DSA problem where we have to check the duplicates, like whether this duplicates is whether this element is duplicate or not, in that scenario we will use this thing. Mostly we will use, but for freshers I am telling, like in that scenario we will use includes in JavaScript. So the definition of this one is includes determine whether an array include a certain value or not, and this return the value as in boolean, not in not it will not return the value or the array. It will return the value like whether it is present. If it is present, then it will be return true. If the value is not present, then it will return false. So if I am saying you like has present present. So if my array dot includes if my array includes apple, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. See, since apple is present, it is showing true. If it is not present, then it will show as false. See, but as I said, it is like if you write there in caps letter, here in a small letter, it will only it will check like whether. I think you got it. I have no word exactly what we can say. So here we will get if we try to find a value like at which index it is present, in that scenario we will use index of. And if we want to just check like whether this value is present or not, in that scenario we will use includes, and it will not return that value. It will only return boolean value. In boolean means in true and false. Okay. And instead of that index, if we want to return that value only, then in that scenario, like in the first scenario we will check like if the value is present, send me the index. And if we want to check that whether if that value is present, then return me that value, then it in that scenario we will use find method. That find method also works same as index of. It will return the first element in the array as same is in index of. So see here I am first I will search. Here I will search like JSON data for find method. So this data I will take. Okay, find. So see here three data is present. We have to give it here some name. Let user is equal to this. Now If I want, okay, I will copy this thing also. Yeah, here. Now, I want like user dot find m is equal to m dot name is equal to ALICE. Yeah. And guess what will be the output of this? We have to store it in some variable. Let find value is equal to. See, here it will. See here, in fact, two data is present, but it only written the first one, not the second one. So if in some scenario we want only one data at a time, in that scenario we will use that find method. Now I have one question, like find method create new array or not? New array or not? Or not? Find method in JavaScript does not create a new array. Find method iterate through an array and return the first element, satisfy the provided testing function. If no element satisfies the condition, it return undefined. Crucially, the find method does not modify the original array because we need one value from that array. Why we will modify? And the thing that is important is if find method not able to find any value in that scenario, it will return output as undefined. Okay, so this is all about find method. Now the same thing same scenario we will use for filter method. What is filter method? Any idea? Here in find method we will get that output whichever satisfy that condition. But in filter method create an array, new array. It will not modify the existing element. It will create a new array which satisfy that whole condition, means which pass that whole condition. So here in the same thing I am writing like let filter value is equal to user dot filter. I feel like this is the whole object. M dot name is equal to, here user is taking reference of that thing. So m dot name is equal to Alice. Now in console, see here audible with the output. See, earlier when I use that find method, it only written this first one value. But when we apply filter method, it return both. Wherever Ali's name is present, it is returning both values. So this is the array method. The first one is index of. This is for searching operation. Index of includes find and filter. It return The find method return the first one value includes also includes return value in true and false. If value are present, it will true. If values are not present, it will return as a false. Index of check satisfied with the condition. The first, as it got that satisfied value, it will return the first element. Okay. And with this filter method check the whole array and it will create a new array and transform that array. It will not modify the existing array. So from the last video and this video, we will learn about arrays two method. One is modifying the existing array and the second one is filtering the existing array. Now we will discuss about how to transform an array. Okay, so transforming array. Okay, so we can in like in the older way we will use for loop for each loop, for loop with if, but nowadays with Angular we will use map function. Yeah, I will recommend. Yeah, map. So whenever so basically what map method do? Map method create a new array populated with the result and provide a function on every element in the array. Like if in one scenario, if we want to modify all element in the array, then in that scenario, like same like a for condition, like I am explaining you. Let num is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay. Now I want to multiply all these elements. Then for that I can write code like for first I will comment this thing. Otherwise in console mode data will show. So see here I will write let I is equal to 0 and I is less than I plus plus. Now I want for whole element it will multiply by 2. Then we will write like num is equal to num into 2 and it will return num is equal to num into 2. Now console.log num. Oh, what I am doing wrong. And syntax error. I'm doing something wrong. Oh my god. So here we have to with every I we have to we multiply by 2 and we will save in let new array is equal to then sorry my mistake new array. See here it multiplying whole array. So the same thing we can do. This is like this is the older way, but in Angular we will write like num dot map and that again I will write m is equal to m into 2 num map m is equal to into 2 num and we will store it into the let map array. Now if we write console.log map array, see, you are thinking why here it is coming. Okay, we will this thing, if we will write here, don't be confused in these things. If we write here this way, we will write here new. It is not coming in form of array. I don't know. Maybe. See, let's focus on this. Yeah, it is coming in the form of object also. So here we wrote this much of code. Now here in one line of code, we will we will do the changes in the whole array. So whenever we do not have to apply any condition, just we want to apply some apply something into the same array, in that scenario we will use the method. So if you have to say in the interview what is map method, so map method create a new array and it populate all the result into the new array. That's it. And the second one is, okay, so if we have to apply some condition, then in that scenario, what we will use? In that scenario, we will use filter method. And filter method will create new array. Okay. Earlier I have discussed with this thing, the filter method. And the third one is reduced method. So if we have to perform some operation like maximum, minimum, in that scenario, we will use reduced method. And I'm giving you a reduced method. Okay. Reduced method. So like here I already gave number. So if I want let sum is equal to, now see the output. It will sum all these things. Like if we want to find maximum, minimum or sum of the number, in that scenario we will use reduce method. Okay. If you want to explain more about reduce method, I can show you from here. Reduce, reduce in JavaScript. See, the same thing I told there, here also the same thing they are telling. Like it will take the accumulator value and the current value, and accumulator value are initial as a 0, and the current value we will add that, and it will give it as a output. For the maximum value, here we apply the accumulator, and initially accumulator is infinite minus infinity, and current value is that value, and by that way it will able to find the maximum value within the array. Okay, now let's come to the topic, that is short. Like for this is the most asked interview question is sorting, ascending way or descending way. So if we have to sort any element, like see, okay, like we will take that example also, like num, here it is in sorting way only given. If I give here 7 comma 1 17, yeah, 17 comma 2, if I give nums dot sort, sorry, See here. Okay. Now console. Why it is coming as empty? Empty value, it is coming as an empty value. 0, 6. And one empty value. Okay, we will take another example. We'll take the example of this array, my array. Oh, we have to comment out this. Okay, we will take as my array 1. Now I want my array dot sort. Now console dot log my array. See? Oh, it will sort an element of an array in place and return the array. And there are some another methods also that are concat if we have to add to array. Like if we want to add array 1, like okay, let concat array, concat, save like concat array is equal to, if we have to concat then like my array dot concat my array 1. See, and concat a whole array. And one method is slice. Slice method basically return a shallow copy of a portion of an array into new array. A slice method remove do in the in that existing array, but slice method return a shallow copy of the portion of an array into new array object. Like I'm showing you slice. I will show you through code also. Then like this is my array. Now I want my array 1 dot slice. I want to remove 0, 1, 2, 0, comma 2. Let slice array is equal to. Now see what will be the output. See, it will, as I said in the definition, it will return a shallow copy of a portion of array into new array, and it start from start and end, and it will not include that the end part. So if it, this is the zeroth index, this is the first, this is the second index. It will not include the second index, and it will make a shallow copy of the array, and it will return this two values. So this is what exactly happened in slice. So that's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my way of explaining, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any issue in my explanation, please tell me so that I will improve that thing. Thank you so much.